So, once again, I wish you all a very good morning and I welcome you all to my class. Today, we are going to learn on values and education. The first thing I said is God is a source of value and the meaning of our life, and God is love, empathy, and kindness. These are the three main things which we learn, which are strong qualities or values which we learn from God. That is love. Empathy is feeling for others, concern about others, and kindness. Life is so ironic. It takes sadness to know what happiness is, noise to appreciate, silence and absence to value presence. So life is, it's very difficult to understand life. And we, आयन कैसा रहता है? आयन को कोई भी नहीं तोड़ सकता है, लेकिन आयन को कौन तोड़ सकता है? उसका जंक। वैसे ही इंसान को कौन तोड़ सकता है? उसका माइंडसेट, उसकी सोच। अगर इंसान की सोच अच्छी रहेगी ना, तो वो इंसान will never be destroyed. No negativities will enter that person's life. Only positive things, positive people, and you'll have positive background. So you have to be like the iron. Only the junk, the rust of the iron can destroy the iron. So even you should be like that. You should control your whole mind and body with your mindset. See, we live in two things. We live in our mind and in our body. Body is there. Now I am sitting over here, but my total mind is in you. After I finish my lecture, I am sitting in the bedroom. People may think that I'm just sitting, but there is some thought process going on. So if I keep on thinking positive things, then everything will be positive in my life. And if I start thinking negative, then everything will be negative in my life. So positive thinking is another good value which one should have. The next value is focus. You should be very focused. Those people who are focused will always succeed in life. What is focus? F for follow, O for one, C for course, U for until, S for successful. Follow one's own course until you become successful. Never focus on pleasing others. You will never succeed. You do anything, you cannot make anyone happy. So believe in making your own self happy. Focus on yourself, focus on your goal, focus on your work, and don't forget to pray. Do your best and God will do the rest. Time is like a sword. If you don't cut it, it will cut you. What is the meaning of that? Value time. Those who value time, time will also value you. Time is money, money is honey. Those who value time, time is life. Time sees that you are wasting it. Do you know the story of the ant and the grasshopper? What was the grasshopper doing? The grasshopper was dancing during the summer, and the poor ant was going on collecting the food, and the ant was making fun of the grasshopper. And then when it started raining, for few days the grasshopper got food, but after few days it didn't have food. So it went to the ant and it asked the ant, please give me food. The ant said, I can give you only for 1 or 2 days. Why didn't you work hard during the summer? You were dancing, so now I'll help you for only 1 or 2 days, and the rest you keep dancing as you were dancing throughout the summer. So time is money, money is honey. Those who don't value time, time will one day beat you. Slow and steady wins the race. Never try to hurry up. If you try to climb the ladder of success fast, you will climb it, but you will fall. And those people who climb the ladder of success slowly, they keep steps for other people also to climb. So please climb the ladder of success slowly. You will win the race. Patience. Learn to have patience. Patience is a key to success with hard work. Never quit. सबर का फल हमेशा मीठा रहता है. So learn to have patience. We want everything fast. We want to become rich fast. We want to grow fast. We want to do everything fast. But no, everything happens in its time. We have to work hard, do our best, and leave the rest to God. Make an effort and change reality. Make your dreams come true. It is all in your hands. Your health is in your hands. Your life is in your hand. Yes, everything is in your hands. You have to make your dreams come true. Set an alarm at 4 or 5 and get up in the morning. Start your work from morning. When you get up in the morning, visualize what you want to finish the whole day. and then believe that you have finished, and make a proper planning before you get up from the bed. Okay, I'm going to do this, and once you plan it properly, you see it will happen. Or before going to sleep, you do it. That's the best. You plan the next day for tomorrow at night, and then you go to sleep. Morning when you get up, thank God for your night. Thank God for opening your eyes that you are seeing a new day. And then again visualize what work you have to finish the whole day. 100% you will be able to complete it. Patience is keeping good attitude while waiting. What is the meaning of patience? Patience is having a good attitude, positive attitude. Yes, I will succeed. Now there are so many children who go on giving the CA exam. Yes, sabar ka phal meeta rehta hai. So many children. Some of them एक बार entrance exam देते fail हो जाते, they give up. But some of them know. They know that yes, second attempt, third attempt, I will have patience, but I will succeed. Patience is bitter, but its fruits are sweet. You do your best and God will do the rest. You never grow without walking through a few valleys, trials or storms in life. And the success that you get after going through all trials, troubles, struggles in life, that success is more valuable than the success which you get very easily. So don't get frightened if you have to face struggles, trials in life. That is a part of life. Face it. Climb that mountain. And once you climb that mountain of struggles, pain, sorrow, suffering, and you come to the next side, you feel, oh my God, I have succeeded. So values are taught but not caught. We catch these values by seeing them by example. Yes, values cannot be taught to anyone. If I want to teach you, I have to use the word sorry, please, excuse me, thank you, good morning, how are you. All these things I have to keep on using it again and again. Then you will also get into that habit. If you like it, yes, I like the way Carol ma'am wishes all of us good morning. So you will also start wishing everybody, yes, very good morning, how are you, how was your day. You will start using it. Values cannot be told or taught. They are learned, and you will learn what you like. There are so many cards kept in front of you. You will pick up the cards or you will pick up the values which you want to learn. Students catch such values by seeing everyone practicing them rather than from the lessons in the classroom. What you learn and you forget. But if your teacher is using it, the teacher comes to your class, the teacher wishes you good morning, the teacher greets you, then these things you keep on picking up. So these things have to be practiced by the teacher, and students will pick them up from the teacher if they want to develop themselves, if they want to improve, if they want to be polished, because these values are going to help you come up in your life. The moment you start using these words, sorry, please, excuse me, thank you, good morning, good evening, welcome, all these things, and you use it politely, the way you use it is also very important. If you say thank you, no, it doesn't mean anything. Thank you, then it means something. If you say welcome, it doesn't mean anything. Welcome, it makes a lot of difference. Your tone, your way of talking. No one can destroy iron, I told you, except its rust. So it is your mindset which can destroy you, and nobody else can destroy you. Yes, sometimes we don't know the value of people until and unless we lose them. We don't know. We think these people are not valuable. But sometimes only after losing them, we realize, oh, these people were so very important to you. So we should learn to value people. Every human is valuable. Every human has something or the other to teach us. ऐसे कुछ भी नहीं है कि only I am a teacher so I can teach you. You know from whom I learned saving skills? From my maid. My maid was a widow. She had 5 daughters. Her husband expired when the 5th daughter was born. And this lady, she used to work in everyone's house. She used to cook for so many houses and all. And she started earning her bread and butter. So one day I asked her, I said, how do you manage? She said, no, I've got all my daughters married. and I've given each of them gold and many things. I said, how did you manage to do it? Saying every month I used to start a recurring account of 100 rupees when my salary was low. Then I started off 500 rupees when my salary increased, and I started this recurring account. By the end of the year, when the money came to me, I made it fixed for 10 years. 15 years. Again, I started a new recurring account. Again, I made it fixed for 10 years, 15 years on each one's name. So the money went on multiplying, the money went on accumulating. And when my children grew up, I had enough money in each one's name to make good amount of gold and to give them good things in their marriage. So I learned these saving skills from my servant. Yes, so you should never underestimate anyone. Everyone in this world has got something to teach us. ऐसे नहीं होता है कि ओनली पढ़े लिखे लोग ही हमें कुछ सिखा के जाते, कभी कभी अनपढ़ गंवार लोग भी हमें सिखा के जाते हैं. इसलिए हर एक जन का कदर करना, रिस्पेक्ट करना, वैल्यू करना. You must value each and everyone. You know, when I met with my massive accident on Holi के दिन we were going to church, I, my servant and my daughter, और अचानक एक मोटर बाइक स्पीड में आया और मुझे उड़ा दिया, सर कट गया. I lost my memory. But who was the one to help my daughter? My daughter was so small, 4th standard, and my servant girl, she was hardly 15 years old. There was a pan wala who was there, who I used to always, talk, hello, hi, bye, kaise ho, ye kaisi hai tabiyat and all. He helped my children to put me in the auto, and they rushed me to the hospital, and I got saved. And look at my luck, when I reached there, no police case, nothing. They just rushed me to the operation theatre. So this is God. God reaches you in the form of somebody or the other. He will either reach you in the form of panwala. He will either reach you in the form of that nurse who was waiting. It looked like, she was waiting. God had told her कि कोई तो बहुत बड़ा एक्सीडेंट का केस आने वाला है, और आप उनको बिना पुलिस इन्वेस्टिगेशन किए उसको अंदर ऑपरेशन थिएटर में डायरेक्टली लेना. एंड दैट इज़ द रीज़न आई एम अलाइव टुडे. सो वैल्यूज़ आर स्पिरिचुअल, मॉरल, सोशल, cultural. We have different type of values, and each and every value is very, very important. Yes, honesty is there, respect for others is there, freedom, confidence, tolerance, inclusion, cooperation, to be well organized, to be trustworthy, to be responsible. All these are important value. But the most important value in Bible, Quran, Gita is gratitude. Gratitude मतलब धन्यवाद. To say thank you for even the smallest thing which is done by anyone to you. I am in the habit of remembering only the good things people do for me. So that is the reason I'm happy in life. Otherwise, I would have been so sad. My husband left me, he ran after another man's wife. I would have been very, very sad. No, but I remember few good things what he has done, and I say, okay, God, thank you. At least he did those good things for me, few things. For this, I keep on saying thank you to him. And he brought us in such a big house. And after he brought us in such a big house, first he had not bought a house. Then when he bought us in this house, we came in this house, and then I came to know about him and his character. And then he betrayed us, he deserted us, but because of him we are staying in such a beautiful house. So I owe my gratitude to him. Yes, so we have to be very grateful to people, no matter what they are. We have to be grateful for even the smallest thing done to us by them. Then social values, it is connected with society. The word social means society. Social values are important for the development of our society. Social values reflect how we relate to society. Social values include justice, freedom, respect, equality, community, responsibility. They form an important part of the culture of the society. Values account for the stability of social order. They provide us guidelines they provide us guidelines for us to follow. So if you select good values, your road, your guideline, the road that you select will be a clean road with no pebbles, no stones, no thorns, no glass pieces. It will be a very clean road, and you will be going ahead in life very smoothly. Society is important because society is culture, and we have to live in the society. And society means the surrounding environment, plants, animal, birds, trees, everything given to us by nature. See, if we die, none of these people die. Plants, animal, birds, then what is that, insects, none of them will die. Then the water will be so clean, the air will be so clean if there is no human. But if our environment is degraded, if the plants, animal, birds, life underwater, insects, they all die, and if the water gets polluted, the air gets polluted, human will die. We are the first one to die. So society is not just the people. Society includes the environment. And environment, what is it? No. Society is not only the people. The society is the entire environment. It includes everything. Environment matlab mahal, which means plants, animal, birds, trees, each and everything. Then we have personal values. What are personal values? जो आप अपने अंदर खुद के लाइफ में देखो, कुछ लोगों के लिए ना रिस्पेक्ट सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है. रिस्पेक्ट के ऊपर कुछ भी नहीं. कुछ लोगों के लिए नाम शोहरत सबसे ऊंचा है. रिस्पेक्ट की साइड, लेकिन नाम और शोहरत तो उन लोग झूठ के बल पे जीतेंगे. लेकिन ये जीत कितनी तक रहेगी? एक ना एक दिन उनकी हार होने ही वाली है. जो झूठ पे अपनी बुनियाद बनाता है, झूठ पे अपना घर बनाता है, वो कभी ना कभी वो घर गिर जाता है. सो एवरीवन हैज देयर ओन पर्सनल वैल्यूज, एंड दैट इज व्हाई वी आर डिफरेंट. Now you have so many teachers coming and teaching you, but each teacher is different from each one another. Some of them honesty, they love to be honest. Some of them like to be very upfront. Some of them like to be, they are very forgiving. Some of them are selfless. They don't think about themselves, they think about more of the student. They want to protect the students, they want to take up the responsibility, they want the results to be good, they are committed. So all depends, it differs from person to person. The most important 12 values in life are: one is courage, kindness, patience, integrity, means you have to be a very, very, very honest and upright person, gratitude, appreciation, forgiveness, love, growth, listening, respect, self-giving, and lastly is your vision. Vision, you have to be a person with focus and vision. Now why do you have to inculcate these values in you? Focus and vision जिसके पास है वो हमेशा सक्सेसफुल रहता है. If you are focused, yes, I want to become an engineer, I want to become a CA, I want to become a teacher, then what happens? You start visualizing before you go to sleep. You start visualizing that yes, you have finished your post graduation, you have finished your this education, you have got very good percentage in your post graduation, you have cleared your net and set because you want to become a degree college teacher. Then you start teaching and the students are all very happy. You can see yourself teaching in the class, and then you go to sleep. Morning also you get up and you say thank you God for making me a professor, I wanted to become a professor, and you start visualizing. So you should have a vision. Keep your conscience very clean, because a clear conscience makes a soft pillow. What is the meaning of that? दिल और दिमाग साफ रखना, उसको में बोझ लेके जीना नहीं चाहिए. यू शुड नॉट हैव हेट्रेड, क्रूएल्टी, रिवेंज, ये सब अपने दिमाग में और दिल में नहीं लेके जियो. तो आपका जो तकिया है ना एकदम सॉफ्ट और मुलायम रहेगा, एंड यू विल गेट वेरी गुड स्लीप. नेवर गिव द डेविल अ राइड. डेविल मतलब शैतान. ऑल दिस हेट्रेड, रिवेंज, ऑल दिस इज डेविल. So never give a devil a ride. He will always want to drive your life. He will always want to take a control of your life. But don't give him the, what is that, key of your life. The key of your life should be given to God. You should allow God to rule your life and not the devil. Can't sleep, start counting your blessings. Okay, if you don't get sleep, start counting your blessing. Think, I've got two eyes, I've got two legs, I'm normal. There are people who don't have this much. Think of the transgenders, they're neither males or female. Start counting your blessing. Ki, I'm so lucky that at least I've reached my FI. There are so many students who wanted to study but they have not got admission because they don't have the money. Start thinking of this. Forbidden fruits create many jams. फॉरबिडन फ्रूट्स, यस, जब गॉड ने पूरा दुनिया बनाया था, लास्ट में इंसान बनाया, एडम और ईव, और उनको कहा कि पूरी संसार आपके लिए है, यही एक झाड़ है जो आप इसके फल को मत खाओ. लेकिन इंसान कभी भी खुश नहीं रह सकता है. जो उसको मना किया उसको वो चखना ही चखना है. एंड हु पुट्स द मैन इनटू टेम्पटेशन? द फीमेल. शी सेड, सी, आई थिंक दिस ट्री इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट ट्री इन द होल वर्ल्ड. दैट्स व्हाई गॉड हैज टोल्ड अस नॉट टू eat the fruits of this tree, and she forced her husband to eat the fruit of the forbidden tree, and they committed the first sin, and then onwards sin started increasing. Satan or devil subtracts and divides God. Okay, Satan and devil subtract and divides us, but God multiplies us, unites us, adds us. Satan will always try to destroy you. Satan is shaitan, devil. To be little is to be little, but don't allow littleness in others. Bring out the littleness in you. Do your best, whatever it is. Even if it's a little growth, it's okay. You have done it on your own. You have succeeded on your own. Be proud of it. God answers kneel male. Kneel male मतलब जो घुटने में टेक के प्रार्थना करते हैं, गॉड उनकी प्रार्थना सुनता है. मैंने आपको एक स्टोरी कहा था ना, एक छोटी लड़की का, वो गमले में अपना पैसा सब इकट्ठा करती थी, गरीब लड़की का. One day she heard that the father was very very ill, and the mother was saying that, oh, we don't have the money for the operation. And this little girl, she remembered when she was kneeling down and praying to God, oh, I have got the money. Then she goes and removes that hidden Miller box, goes to the chemist, and she tells the chemist, please take this money and save my father. And the chemist tries to just push her away. Suddenly there's a man who gets out of the car, and he comes over there and he asks her, baby, why are you crying? She said, no, my father is very ill. My mom doesn't have the money to operate my father, but I have the money. So he said, where is the money? So she shows him the Miller box. He said, okay, give the money to me, I will get your father operated. So saying, God comes in the form of this doctor, and this girl saves a father because of that saving habits, because she was kneeling down and praying. So God answers kneel male. मतलब अगर आप घुटने टेक के प्रे करेंगे तो गॉड आपका प्रेयर ज़रूर सुनेगा. गॉड कैन इवन स्पीक टू यू थ्रू साइन बोर्ड. सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू रीड. So you know what happens is sometimes I'm very tensed up, and then I say, God, please talk to me. God, please talk to me. And suddenly I'll get a paper in my hand and something will be written on it. And then I feel, oh, this is for me. Or while going around, suddenly there will be some signboard next to the church, and very good proverbs will be written over there. And then I feel, yes, God has spoken to me through the proverbs. God cannot come to you directly. God will talk to you through some person, through some signboards outside the church, outside the mandir, or some book. You will hit upon some book. वो book में एक अच्छा कुछ लिखा रहेगा. So God has different ways of talking to us. So God will talk to us to different ways. Yes. So we should collect values. What are the most important values? I told you the 12 important. There are still more values which you need for your own personal growth. That is innovation, enthusiasm, integrity, relationship with people, good communication skill, teamwork, collaboration, cooperation, understanding. All these values are very, very, very important. Now, what is the role of education in the life of an individual? Education teaches us to be a good human. But if you're educating yourself in a very good way, education can change your attitude. It can make it positive, provided you want to be a positive person. Education can help you in becoming successful. Education can make you a polished person. Education can enhance your personality. Education can improve your skills. Education can do a lot, provided the teacher who's teaching you herself has all these skills. Yes, so importance of value-based education is very important, and this should be taught by each and every teacher who comes to your class, whether it's an accounts teacher, whether it's an FC teacher, whether it's an eco teacher. Every teacher should teach you value based education because it's needed for success in life, to build good relationship, to develop your personality, to develop yourself, to give meaning to your life, and it also helps you to take the right decisions in life. So good value education should be given to you by each and every teacher. Yes. Now, what is value education? Man is a social animal. Man cannot live alone. Values help him to socialize in the right manner, in a better manner, in a good manner, and he learns to behave in a manner which is accepted by the society. Like Indian society, we can't wear them open clothes. No, Indian people, they will not accept you. Somehow or the other, the men are not very broad minded. No matter what happens, how educated they are, Indian men are not broad minded. They are not positive when it comes to looking at a woman. When a woman wears minimum clothes, the attitude, the way they look, the way the look with lust is still there in Indian mentality. That has not gone. So we live in an Indian society. We have to follow the Indian culture. We cannot do "Aa bell mujhe maar." So we have to blow with the wind. We have to go with what our society, how our society is and the culture which our society is following. Children should be taught values by whom? First, by the parents, teachers, elders. They are the future pillars of the country. Teachers should nurture the students with good values. Yes, practice what you preach. Until and unless the teachers and the parents have those values, children will never learn the values. Because it is not like teaching A, B, C, D. You have to practice. Students will watch you, learn from you, they'll catch all the values, and then they will inculcate in their life. Children learn what they see and hear, then what they study and learn from the books. The aim of value education is to make the person capable of living with dignity in the world. So value education is very important. You need to learn all these values. You need to inculcate all these values in your life if you want to develop your personality. With this, I think I've explained the topic values in life very well to you.